G'day, I'm Bart, and I'm going to help you get started with your Ensuite Double shower tent. I'm going to show you how to set it up, including how to install the included hangers for laundry and storage. I'll show you how to connect the red hose from the hot tap into the tent so you can have a nice shower. I'll also show you how to install the optional accessory Rainfly and optional accessory double awning kit, which are both available on the Jewelco website. And then finally, I'll show you how to pack everything away. Okay, so let's get started. So first we'll open up the bag. And I'll bring out the storage that we have. We have the laundry storage. We have another hanger for some storage inside the tent and another hanger for storage. We've got a tent patch kit. So if you get any tears in the tent, you can use this to patch up those tears. And then we've got our pegs for the guy ropes. Okay, and now let's take out the actual tent. Put the bag to the side. Okay, so put the legs down one at a time. And now let's just grab each section out from each corner. We've got the front section and now the back section. And then from here, we're going to extend each leg. Let's get our pegs and start pegging each corner of the tent first, and then we can get our guy ropes afterwards. So if it's not so windy, you don't actually have to get the guy ropes out, but we've got a bit of a windy day today, so I'm gonna get the guy ropes out and secure the tent even more. And we can bring tension into the rope by adjusting the pulley. There we go. All right, now that we've got the tent pegged down on the corners and pegged down with the guy ropes, let's install the laundry storage and the other storage that we have as well. So the laundry storage we're going to put into the dry room. The other storage for soaps and shampoos we're going to put in the wet room. And the other storage for like a mobile phone, we're going to put it in the dry room above our head. Okay, so that's the Ensuite tent setup, including the storage accessories. And now I'm going to show you how to install the hot tap hose into the tent. Okay, so first let's plug in the red hose into the water outlet of the hot tap. Put it back in place. And now we're going to run this section of hose into the opening here. And next we're going to install the shower switch and the shower head right into this corner here. And finally, we're going to connect the hose from the outside that's running from the hot tap into the bottom of the switch. And now we're ready to have a shower inside the tent. So let's look at how to install the optional accessory Ensuite Double Rainfly. So we're going to start off by making sure that the logo is facing to the front. And we'll throw the back section over the top of the tent. And we're going to pull it across until it starts to sit okay. Keep adjusting it. And now let's start pinning it in. Come back to the front. Some final adjustments, and that's it. So we can still open up the windows that are on the roof of the tent to get that ventilation, and now no rain's gonna come inside. So we've also got some guy ropes here. If we wanna have extra sturdiness for the tent, you can also get some pegs and get the guy ropes and pin them down, but I'm not gonna do that right now because my tent's pretty sturdy. And that's how you set up the Ensuite Double Rainfly. Okay, so let's look at how to set up the Ensuite Double awning kit. Let's start off by throwing the awning over the top of the tent. Perfect. Let's pin the back sections in first. Pin the front in as well. Okay, so now to lay down the floor, when we're laying it down, we've got 2 corners that have hooks and 2 corners that have these little loops. We'll bring the loops at the front and the hooks towards the back of the tent. We're gonna hook in here. All right, next we're gonna get these poles and we're gonna extend it out so the flat section is on the floor and the section with the metal is on the top. And let's get this guy rope and pull it down to the floor and let's hammer it in place. And now we have this frame secured. Let's do the same thing with the next side. So now let's install the side wall. 2 things we want to note are, we want to locate the logo, and that's going to be the bottom of the wall. And then we want to locate where our plastic clip is, and this is going to attach to the side frame of the tent. So let's get the clip on first. Perfect. Run the top across, and we'll get the elastic through the top section here. Pull the wall down. Get this other elastic on the corner into the peg, and then finally get the last section. Okay, and now we have our side wall installed. So that's how you install the Ensuite Double awning kit. So now let's put the tent away. Before we do that, we just want to make sure that the tent is completely dry and clean. So if there's any dry mud or debris inside the tent, just clean that out. And then from here, we'll just start by collapsing the frame down. So we press on these little buttons here, bring the frame down. On this side as well. Perfect. Let's collapse the front section, back section, each corner. Okay, let's pick up the legs. Best way to get the tent into the bag is to roll it up. Nice and tight. Okay, perfect. So if you have any of the optional accessories, like the Rainfly or the awning kit, you can actually pack them back into the original double tent bag by flipping the bag to the bottom, unzipping this extra storage, and this will actually expand the space inside the bag. And you'll be able to throw in some more of your accessories. And carry everything inside one bag. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful in getting you started with your Ensuite Double tent. Happy showering.